island of Kauai, Hawaii, and we're here at Dolphin Touch Wellness Center, and we have been blessed these last 7 weeks to have here Tiina from Finland.
Hi, hello, hi everybody.
Yes, and we are excited to share some of the experiences that we had here together, and so we thought we'd take a few minutes on the video to talk about your 7-week experience on Kauai. And first of all, I'd like to say thank you so much for coming. It was a long journey to come all the way from Finland. It took you 24, 48, 36 hours to get here?
Yeah, about 34 hours.
34 hours. Yes.
But it's worth it.
Thank you. Yes, Kauai is an amazing place, and the beauty and joy of Dolphin Touch Wellness Center and this energy and this vibration has been awesome to have you here. So I just wanted to share, can you just, from your perspective, what was some of the highlights of your time here with us?
My highlights here was when we doing healing progress in here. And when I do, of course, my sound healing here, it was amazing because it was so different place what I do in Finland. That's kind of, and of course that when we go to ocean and you told me that dolphin touch healing,
dolphin energetics in the
yeah,
ocean, and then
it
you were
was
assisting
amazing.
me. Yes.
Yeah. Yes. And then everything here, what we have, it's 7 weeks is so long time at what we can do here, and this island energy is amazing, and Genius Dolphin Touch Center energy is amazing. And first I was here in about 3 weeks. I lived there upstairs. It's a so nice place. It's just like I've been home. I feel so good. Then I go to hotel, but it's not same. It's not same.
Yeah, it definitely is different when you're here and you're on the land. The land itself is so healing, and you're in the middle of Kauai town, so everything is centrally located, easy to get to, and just being in the hustle and bustle of what happens every day at the center with the people coming and going and connecting with different people and meeting different healers and people from around the world. It's been, it's a different experience than just staying in a hotel room.
Yeah. It's so different, different. Yeah, and of course when we go to Waimea Canyon and we doing that opening there, it was amazing. And
yeah, that experience